So there's two big things. I love this course, but there's two big things which I have taken from it. The first, oh my gosh, the empowering words. When you know who you're talking to, when you know who you want to bring into your world, bring into your business or whatever, having all those lists of all those amazing empowering words, it's so much candy to just sprinkle through your copy. I love it. It's just it's magical. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is now understanding that I am very much the alchemist and that I have zero follow through. I just get to build my business so I don't have to worry about that. It's great. It's that's why I'm absolutely shit at returning calls and emails and sending the thing. It's because I'm just not built for that. So instead of beating myself up about it, I now have systems in place, which means it's all taken care of. I love it. Perfect.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.